Have you ever thought of making money online and you don't know how to go about it? Do you wish to earn that passive income so badly? Or make as much as $100 weekly while doing nothing serious? If your answer is yes, then this is for you. In this video, I'll be teaching you a simple way to make money just by listening to YouTube music. Sounds pretty unbelievable, right? Also, make sure to watch to the very end, as I will be dropping some other bonus hints on how to hit it big using this same process. But before we go on, make sure you like this video and also hit the notification button so you get notified every time I drop videos on how to make money online. Done with that? Let's get it on. I know listening to music is something you probably do regularly and even spend your data on. And right now, you're probably thinking about how exactly you're going to get paid for listening to some of your favorite music. Make sure to watch this video until the end because I'll be guiding you step by step on how to start making money for yourself. While we're at it, you can also grab some writing materials to write down some important information, except of course if you have a photographic memory. So many of us have got lots of bills to pay that our income could cover right now. I'm also sure you've heard people emphasize on passive incomes since the COVID-19 pandemic took the world by surprise. Now I am introducing you to a way you get to earn that extra cash just by listening to songs on YouTube Music. This ain't fugazi because I'm sure you're already asking, how possible is that? Very possible, and I will be teaching you this. Another interesting thing is that it's all 100% free. You won't be paying anyone a dime before you get started. I know a lot of people feel hesitant when they know they have to part with something before enjoying stuff like this. Who wouldn't though? Even I would, because I ain't picking those cash from the trees. Some people might ask if their location wouldn't be an issue, but trust me, I have good news for you. This service is very much available in every country of the world. Whether you are in the US, Brazil, China, Nigeria, or even the Caribbean, you can make money through this process without much stress. Another easy thing for you is that with this method of making money by listening to songs, you can do all that, be it on your phone, iPad, or laptop from start to finish. Trust me, every minute counts. You also have to drop those college certificates because with this method, you are not going to need that. No technical expertise, no prior experience is needed. All you need is a connected device and you are ready to make some cool cash. Enough of those talks, so let's talk about money. It's been said an average person spends about 4.5 hours every day listening to songs, and for some others, it could be more. Remember I told you I will be holding your hands through the process, right? Like a bride walking down the aisle even though you ain't any bride. Okay, so the Current Rewards app claims an average user can make $600 per month just by listening to music with their platform. But trust me, you can earn even way higher than that if you do the things I am about to show you guys. The new Music Reward application lets you enjoy music, but not only that, it pays you for every piece of music you listen to. The platform rewards you with points for every music you listen to, which you can then decide to redeem in whatever form you like. The options available are also very easy, like through gift cards, or redeeming your points through PayPal. Now, at this point, some might want to click off this video and go ahead to figure things out themselves, since the name of the app and website are already revealed. Looks simple enough, right? But that right there is a bad idea, and you'll most likely get frustrated if you skip some very important things I still have to tell you in this video. First things first, you have to register on the website. Just open your Google browser and search for Current Rewards. You are going to see a site that says currentrewards.us. Don't get bothered when you see the .us though, because it's still the same whether you're in Malaysia or Bangladesh. You don't have to worry much about that. It would still work just fine. All you have to do is click on the site and it will give you an option to download the app either on your Apple or Android device. Just download the app on the Google Play Store for those that make use of Androids and from the Apple Store for iPhone users. You can, however, skip all these processes by using the referral link in the description of the video. After you've done that, just go through a very easy registration process on the app that involves you entering your phone number, after which you get to verify your phone number through a confirmation text that would be sent to your phone. There will also be an option for you guys to select your country from the drop-down list. Like I've told you guys before, your location would be an issue for you to enjoy this platform, so all you have to do is scroll to your choice of of location. After that, click on the Request button to join the rewards program at the bottom. If you would also prefer to sign up with an email or through Facebook, you can do that as well. But trust me, the phone number verification is the fastest way to register on the app. You also have to pass the CAPTCHA image verification just to confirm you are human. I guess they don't want any aliens from Elon Musk's Mars operating their platform. Just kidding. Get past all that and boom, you're set to start making money. You can go ahead to create a playlist of your favorite songs on YouTube Music and then link your YouTube Music to the current rewards app. With that, every time you enjoy songs on your YouTube Music app, you earn points for the time spent, which you can, in turn, withdraw through your PayPal account. Isn't that a great way of making cool cash? Now imagine the time spent while exercising, walking, or jogging with your headset plugged in. Trust me, it doesn't end there. Who says you can't listen to music while on the train too? You get to enjoy listening to your music while Current rewards you. I told you guys about some bonus tips for getting paid faster, right? Here's one for those who are still watching. On the Current Reward app, you have access to over 100,000 custom radio stations, and for every song you listen to on that station, you get paid for it. Easy peasy. You get to have access to a plethora of songs to choose from, making it easier for you to listen for a very long time. Have you planned your cross-country trip with your loved ones? Then trust me, you can choose to enjoy the various songs that will be offered by the radio stations on the platform, all for free while still earning. Isn't that like thanks for listening? Not that you have to be online every time to earn your cash too, because you don't have to worry about internet connections all the time. You can still listen to your favorite songs, albums, and mixtapes offline and still get paid. This is looking like real drug money. One trick I do use that I'd like to share with you guys too is that on the YouTube Music app, you can decide to increase the playback of the songs to about 2 times faster, which means you get to earn your points 2 times faster. That gives you the chance to listen to lots of songs within a short time, which directly translates to more points earned. Another interesting thing about the platform is there are other ways you can earn cash aside from listening to music. You can decide to respond to paid surveys if you are a lover of one, and then you get rewarded for the time spent doing that. So imagine playing your favorite songs in the background while you still use that same time to fill out surveys. That's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone, right? And if you're an Oliver Twist who wants more, then the platform has got you covered because there's also another opportunity aside from listening to music on the app. This is for game lovers. All you have to do is download and play games on the platform, and with that, you get to earn that passive income while doing what you love. You can also refer friends and loved ones to make use of the platform, and you get rewarded with 200 free points for everyone who makes use of your referral code. It doesn't end there though. You get to earn 5% of their earnings for life. So if you refer, let's say 10 of your friends make use of the platform, you get 50% of their future earnings. That is aside from whatever you do personally on the platform. You also get paid through the shop and earn cashbacks, watch videos, and even a crazier option, phone charging. It's crazy, right? The Current Rewards platform also lets you earn cash just by charging your phone. If you think I'm lying, just open the app while charging your phone and you get rewarded with points. No cap. Another bonus hint for those who watch the video up to this point, of course, is that to earn that cool cash fast enough on the Current Reward app, make sure you complete your music profile as you listen to music to expand your earning potential. Not like you won't earn anything if your profiles are not up to date, but when your profile gets completed, you get to earn higher points per play on each song that you decide to listen to. So, what are you waiting for? Download the app and link your YouTube Music app to it and start earning at least $100 every week. If you like today's method of how to make money, drop your comments below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification button.